Irish dance is how to build a small portable dance stage for your house to practice your Irish dancing. So I've been experimenting all week with what works for my office, and I wanted to share that with you. There was basically 4 easy steps. One was to buy the wood. 1/2-inch plywood worked the best. Anything bigger than that was honestly too heavy for me to manage it by myself. You can just lean it up against the wall and I can just put it down, it's stable. The next step would be to use these foam blocks, which I bought this one that has a peel stick off the back. And you only need 52 of them. I used a little bit more because I wanted a little bit more cushion since I'm only using 1 board. But it's only 52. Say if you were using 2 boards, I would use 52 on both, 52 for each board. And on the installation guide, which I'm going to include the links for everything, it gives a map of how to place the square pads. So that's a lot of cushion, and then you'll notice I also have carpet padding that I also roll right back. And I use 2 layers of that. I'll include the link for that as well. I wanted 2 layers because I felt like it was kind of loud in here when I started dancing. And then the infamous Showerpan liner. So what I did was cut it and used Gorilla Glue to secure it onto the board. And then I also used spike tape, hot pink spike tape around the edges because you don't want to fall off your stage. And I felt like it was still a little bit loud in here. So I'm going to probably put another layer and glue it right on top. If you notice your dance floor is coming up at the edges as you're dancing, then I would just keep the second layer of the Showerpan liner on the roll it comes in. And after you lay the floor down, you just roll it out because it's 6 feet, so it would hang over the edges and it would kind of keep it down for you there. And that is as professional as it gets to having an inexpensive, portable home practice space, and you can just build it yourself. And I will include all the links for every single piece of item that I used for this project. All right, enjoy. If you have any questions, I'm Maureen Berry, and you can email me at maureen@teelin.com. Thanks.